Well guys, it seems like this is the worst of it. So hopefully we'll get this bit pulled out, get that bit put back in, but it has got all the leather. It is a decent spec. Let's just hope that the battery's okay on it. But you guys wanted it on the channel, so I bought you one. We have got 59 miles of range. We have just quickly checked and there is no charging cable, so that will be the first point of call for this before we start the repair. But you guys wanted a cheap electric vehicle. This is the Nissan Leaf Tekna, has only got 49,000 miles on it. So we will be working at getting this rear quarter sorted. And you know how we do things, so it will only ever be done properly. We'll get this fully charged up. Really interesting to see what this car goes like, because I keep seeing these electric vehicles and how mad they are and how fast they feel. So we will be putting this one to the test. But what a spec on this. It's got a heated steering wheel, it's got heated seats, it's got absolutely everything on this, and the room in the back is massive. So looks like one of you will get an absolute bargain. Okay, so we have got the first of the two smashed up Copart cars. The first being our very, very first electric vehicle. We wanted, through the comments, someone had said just a family electric vehicle. So we were like looking around, seeing what a family vehicle would look like in electric, bearing in mind we haven't really had any electric vehicles through the channel. So we saw this one come up being 155 mile range, which we looked on the net, probably realistically around about 120, which would be perfect for just cruising around. And this was a top spec. This has got the Bose sound system. This has got electric rear seats, electric front seats, satellite navigation, alloy wheels, parking sensors, which they might be working, they might not be working, but we will see. So we have got Wayne with us today, and you've seen him previously on the videos. We have got, for Wayne, the genuine bumper bracket, because I think what Wayne has suggested with us, that we need to try and get the lines back in with this, don't we, Wayne?
Yep.
So as you can see here, it's had quite a shunt. We have lost the line here for the rear light, which we are going to be trying to get back in order to keep the seal. But I think what Wayne was trying to say earlier to me off camera was we need to try and work these lines back so that we can potentially get this to fit. First things first, and then we can work forward. But
Basically stripping it down and seeing what's going on.
we need to make sure this paint code is going to be spot on, because I can imagine the differences. And we all know
It's already been painted as well.
yeah, so it's going to be a trying to match on top of another match onto another match. But we all know what it's like with a plastic to metal finish. So it'll be interesting to see how we get on with this, guys. It's got stripping down.
Quite nice interior. So I screwed the number plate on through the cable.
So they screwed the number plate on.
I got a broken one anyway.
That makes sense why it was making the funny noise.
Oh, shit.
Hey, They took the Bose Bose speaker out.
Yeah. That's where to get all the it pinned all this stuff down.
So we have taken the Bose speaker out. Is that all that is? Just that little speaker?
And then this is like the...
So we have got the rear bumper off. We have got the subwoofer. We have got all the panels out. The side panelling. We have got rear seats out. We are going to town on this vehicle. Be really interesting to see how this shapes up, doesn't it? Because that is the damage there. Wonder how we are going to start to pull this out, Wayne. It's a bit of a far cry for what we did with the rope on the Mercedes van. Do you remember when we pulled the front leg out and ended up snapping the strap? So, be really interesting to see how this comes out. Right, let's get this dent. Dent? Is it a dent or is it complete? Smashed up?
Damage.
Damage?
Knocked out.
Knocked out. You can actually see it. That's actually come out really well.
This is quite creased up though, like where that crease is.
Yeah. Actually come out quite a lot though.
This has down here.
Yeah. Really surprised. You can see it unfolding.
Yeah.
It's amazing how much that's come out already.
We have to go careful with the crease.
Because it splits.
Well, we don't really want to like make it too sharp, you know, where
Yeah.
it won't come out.
That's unbelievable how much has come out already.
I think we might end up with a little split anyway, where it was so
Yeah.
tight. But might not do anything, it might.
Yeah.
We get it to work.
That's where the bumpers. This is where the bumpers got to go to. Yeah, there. Is that what you'd say it was?
Yeah. That far out though.
This is split right there. Remember? Yeah, that's probably realistic there, isn't it?
Yeah. So it'll be fine.
That'll be fine.
Shows you how much steel, doesn't it? Like here.
Yeah.
It's not.
It's not horrific, is it? Considering where we started from and where we're at now.
Yeah.
A little bit
Actual
more.
edge needs to come.
Yeah.
I'll do that with a wood. It's supposed to have a bit of a curve there, so I don't want to lose that. Need to get on top of this part and punch it down.
Yeah.
I can't really get on it.
Trying to get in there's hard, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's it. You can see it coming up there, look. Yeah. Wayne is going to be taking the bumper away because I think Wayne is going to be doing some spectrum, what do they call it? Spectrum analysis. So hopefully we can try and find the right colour in and around there so we can get this done. So, bumper bracket fitted. We're going to knock it out so we can try and get this a little bit flatter with the bracket. So, yeah, genuine parts. We only use genuine parts. And I must say, we have got the vehicle on charge. We have got the charger for it. And if you can see through there, we are on just coming up to 3 bars. And I think we've spent so far, I've been watching it, and we're at £2.70 so far. It was on 56% or 57% charged. I've spent £2.70 so far, and we're on the last light. So it'd be interesting to see what it costs me to basically do a half charge. But I digress. Let's get back on with making sure we can get this nice and straight. So let's get straightening, Wayne. So we're happy that this bracket fits the original mounting point, so I'm well happy with that, which means that this is not too bad. So I was a bit nervous about that, but we still haven't found the locking wheel bolt yet. So I think Jaina has taken a picture of it to see if we can like send it to someone and see if we can get the locking wheel bolt for it. I don't know where all these locking wheel bolts go, do you?
Yeah.
They just like disappear into like, yeah,
it's
it's just non-stop. Yeah, I think this was like 35 quid, I think, this bumper bracket. So it wasn't expensive. Much better off with the Nissan part. So, yeah. Sealer.
That's better. There.
Yeah, definitely better there. On now.
Right.
Let's start getting this stripped back to bare metal. You put it in so well.
Going to them slides.
Well, join us on the next video where, well, what could we be up to next, guys? Let's see. And just one quick thing before we go. If you haven't liked and subscribed our YouTube channel, please head over on the link in the description and give us a like, guys, because, you know, we could be doing anything from racing a shed round the track to fixing other people's issues, which is majority of what we do here every day. And yeah, who knows what we're next, but appreciate all the comments, guys, all the love, and we appreciate every single one of you. So we'll see you on the next one.